stochastic POS tagging is. Sorry. So another technique of tagging is stochastic POS tagging, and this now that the question arises that which model we can say that is a stochastic. Okay, rules are there. So model that includes frequency or that the probability, that is statistics, that we have seen that there is a number of, then we apply handwritten for that ambiguous tags. So here that actually stochastic is basically used for if any tags is used frequently, or that is your probability that a statistics can be called a stochastic. Okay, so just you keep in the mind that if there is a tag frequencies or probabilities is called for that. So any number of different approaches to the problem is the POS tagging can be referred as the stochastic taggers. So here that we have basically stochastic apply for the word frequency. Okay, as we have seen that the frequency and probability, that what are the, if there is a word, then what are the alphabets are and what are the disambiguate words are there. So in this approach, stochastic taggers disambiguates the word based on the probability that the word causes with a particular tag, that which we have to tag. So we can apply. We can say that the tag encountered most frequently with the word in the training set, that which we have to tag it. So training set is one assigned to an ambiguous instances of the word. Okay, and the main use of this approach is inadmissible sequences of word. You see, whenever we are as yes, it is okay that हम लोग कभी भी कुछ जैसे word बोलते हैं, then where we have to place the word placement of the word at appropriate place while we are speaking and tagging things. So that's why it is called that if it is some disambiguous, that this यहाँ पे होना चाहिए, इस word को यहाँ पे होना चाहिए, but nowadays it is very difficult to correct other things. But somehow ऐसे हम लोग use word को use करते हैं and for वर्किंग के लिए कि ठीक है हमारा इतना काम हो गया बोल के हमने समझा दिया और ये, so that is not actually appropriate. That if we are saying that yes, it must be appropriate, so whenever in the searching technique में हम जब भी कुछ बोलते हैं तो some assistants are unable to understand and they say they respond you and reply you that yes, what it means and what is it. Sometimes we are writing, then if it is wrong तो वो भी आपको लिख के आपके पास आ जाता है. सो यहाँ पे बोलता है कि यदि कोई डिसएम्बिगुअस है तो सबसे पहला काम ये है कि आपको एम्बिगुअस उसको बनाना है, ठीक है, डिसएम्बिगुएट करके एम्बिगुएट द इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ दैट वर्ड. And the main approach is that we have to make that inadmissible sequence of tag यदि वो है. अब दूसरा एक तो ये है कि आपका वर्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड देन है टैग सीक्वेंस प्रोबेबिलिटी, वो आप सीक्वेंस में कर देते. तो अनदर अप्रोच ऑफ द stochastic tagging where the tagger calculates the probability for giving the sequence of tags occurring आ रहे हैं. So it also called that is your n-gram approach. That's why याद करिए हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट यूनिट पे देखा था 1 gram 2 gram and सब n grams are there. Okay, so we'll apply it HMM. So it is called so because the base tag for each word is determined by the probability at which it occurs with the n previous tags. तो एक तो वर्ड हो गया, फिर सीक्वेंस में लाना है। अब स्टोकास्टिक, जैसे आपने यहाँ पे देखा था रूल बेस, उसी तरीके से स्टोकास्टिक के कुछ हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये प्रॉपर्टीज है कि पीओएस टैगिंग इज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ, जैसे आपने प्रोबेबिलिटी और आपने बोला था फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ टैग ऑकरिंग्स एंड इट रिक्वायर्स सम ट्रेनिंग कॉर्प्स। ये हमें बता रहा है कि ट्रेनिंग डेटा एक्चुअली चाहिए, कॉर्पस। And third, there could be no probability for the word that do not exist in the corpus. यदि ऐसा है तो probability है। It uses a different testing corpus, मतलब ट्रेनिंग सेट के लिए वो यूज करते हैं different testing. And it is a simplest POS tagging because it chooses the most frequent tags associated with the word in the training corpus.